Did you know that keeping your cholesterol levels under control could be the key to a long and healthy life? High cholesterol is one of the biggest villains of heart health, but you don't need expensive medications to fight it. In this video, we will reveal 5 powerful natural supplements that can transform your cardiovascular health. Stay with us until the end and discover how you can protect your heart in a simple and effective way. First supplement, omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their great benefits to heart health. Found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as in fish oil supplements, these acids help to reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad one, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good one. Omega-3 also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help lower blood triglycerides and keep arteries healthy. Studies show that regular consumption of omega-3 can reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. It's crucial for brain health and can improve cognitive function and memory. Studies suggest it may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia and improve mood by helping reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Omega-3, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, is a crucial component of the eye's retina. Studies show that adequate intake of omega-3 can help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a condition that can lead to vision loss. Additionally, it improves skin health by helping to maintain hydration and reduce inflammation. It can help alleviate conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, improve skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, promoting healthier and more vibrant skin. Second supplement, fiber. Fiber is a powerful ally in the fight against high cholesterol. There are 2 main types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fibers, found in foods like oats, apples, and beans, are especially effective at reducing cholesterol. They dissolve in water in the intestine and form a gel that helps trap cholesterol and bile acids, which are then eliminated from the body. This process forces the liver to use more cholesterol to produce new bile acids, which can lower LDL cholesterol levels. But the benefits of fiber go beyond this. In addition to reducing cholesterol, fiber also promotes healthy digestion and helps to maintain weight. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, is a simple and natural way to support heart health and keep your cholesterol levels balanced. Fiber can positively influence mental health by helping to reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. This is because fiber improves gut microbiome health, which is connected to brain function and mood through the gut-brain axis. Adequate fiber intake is associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber helps to dilute and eliminate potentially carcinogenic substances from the digestive tract and promotes colon health by reducing inflammation and improving gut cell health. Third supplement, psyllium. Psyllium, derived from the husks of the Plantago ovata seeds, is an exceptionally effective soluble fiber for reducing cholesterol. When ingested, psyllium turns into a viscous gel in the intestine, which captures cholesterol and bile acids. This process forces the body to use cholesterol present in the blood to produce new bile acids, resulting in reduced LDL cholesterol levels. In addition to its positive impact on cholesterol, psyllium also offers additional benefits for digestive health. It improves bowel regularity by increasing stool volume and facilitating bowel movements, helping to prevent constipation. This soluble fiber can also assist in managing blood glucose levels by slowing carbohydrate absorption and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Psyllium is commonly found in supplements in the form of powder, capsules, and granules, as well as in some food products like cereals and fiber bars. Incorporating psyllium into your diet is simple. You can add it to smoothies, yogurts, or even mix it with water. It is essential to consume an adequate amount of water when using psyllium to ensure it works properly and avoid potential digestive discomfort. With regular intake, psyllium can be a powerful tool for improving lipid profiles, promoting digestive health, and assisting in blood sugar control. If you're looking for a natural approach to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and promoting healthy digestion, psyllium can be an excellent addition to your daily routine. You're about to discover the 4th most effective supplement for reducing cholesterol. But before we reveal this essential tip, I have something even more valuable for you. Imagine lowering your cholesterol quickly, simply and cost-effectively, with lasting results. In the first pinned comment of the video, there's a link to an exclusive video that shows powerful natural techniques for effectively reducing cholesterol. Click the link to discover how to transform your life. Fourth supplement: plant sterols and stanols. Plant sterols and stanols are compounds found in plants that have the ability to naturally reduce cholesterol. With a structure similar to cholesterol, they compete with cholesterol in the intestine, reducing its absorption and thereby lowering LDL cholesterol levels. By incorporating foods enriched with sterols and stanols, such as margarine, juices, and yogurts, you can see a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol. These compounds have proven effective in promoting cardiovascular health, and many people are surprised to find how small dietary changes can have such a positive impact on heart health. Moreover, if you're looking for other proven methods to improve your cholesterol levels and optimize your cardiovascular health, the next supplement we'll explore is a highly recommended choice by experts. It offers additional benefits you won't want to miss. Stay tuned to discover how it can further transform your health. Fifth supplement: vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is an essential nutrient for cardiovascular health and plays a vital role in the body. This nutrient acts directly on the liver, blocking the production of LDL and triglycerides. Niacin is also important for energy metabolism, skin health, nerves, and the digestive system. The benefits of niacin go beyond cholesterol control. By improving blood lipid profiles, niacin helps prevent atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular problems. This promotes more efficient circulation, reducing the risk of heart events and improving overall heart health. To obtain vitamin B3 naturally, consider including foods rich in this nutrient in your diet. Major dietary sources of niacin include lean meats like beef and chicken, fish like tuna and salmon, and whole grains like oats and brown rice. Legumes such as lentils and beans are also good sources of niacin. Additionally, enriched foods like whole grain cereals and some baked products often contain vitamin B3. If you're looking for a more concentrated source of niacin, supplements may be an effective option. These are available in various forms, including capsules and tablets. Incorporating vitamin B3 into your diet can significantly transform your cardiovascular health. By balancing cholesterol levels and promoting healthier circulation, you will be taking an important step to reduce the risk of heart disease and improve your overall well-being. Sixth supplement: garlic extract. Garlic extract is a highly effective supplement for cardiovascular health, offering several notable benefits. Derived from garlic, it is rich in allicin and other active compounds that promote heart health. Among the main benefits of garlic extract is its ability to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and blood triglycerides, thereby improving lipid profiles and overall heart health. In addition, garlic extract is known to enhance blood vessel elasticity, reduce blood pressure, and promote healthy blood circulation. It also plays an important role in preventing clot formation by helping to avoid excessive platelet aggregation, which reduces the risk of thrombosis. Garlic extract can be obtained in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and powder, offering a concentrated and practical means of consumption. Fresh garlic, rich in allicin, is also an excellent source and can be consumed chopped and allowed to rest before ingestion. Incorporating garlic extract into your diet can be a natural and effective way to maintain cardiovascular health, providing valuable support for the heart and circulatory system. Seventh supplement: berberine. Berberine is a bioactive compound found in several plants, notably berberis and other plants. It is extensively studied for its benefits to metabolic and cardiovascular health. Berberine is known for its potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. One of the main benefits of berberine is its ability to help control blood sugar levels. It works by activating an enzyme called AMPK, AMP-activated protein kinase, which plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity. This effect can be particularly helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, as it helps lower blood glucose levels and improves insulin function. Berberine also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, a risk factor for many chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Its antioxidant properties combat oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. The main sources of berberine are supplements in capsule or tablet form, which are a concentrated and practical means of intake. Including berberine in your diet, through supplements or foods containing the source plants, can provide significant benefits for metabolic and cardiovascular health, offering a natural approach to blood sugar management and heart health. Don't miss the opportunity to deepen your knowledge. We have an unmissable video waiting for you. 7 effective foods that enhance cholesterol control quickly and easily. Click here to discover how to transform your diet and achieve even better results. Until then, take care and keep your health high.